Today we are going to discuss a very interesting strategy. Why very interesting? Because of two reasons. First, I need not predict the direction of the market and create this strategy. So it's a non-directional strategy. Second, it has ability to absorb large movements of the market. So even when the market has shown wild movements, the strategy works well and we may not require to do adjustments also. But again, there will be some break-even points, and if market is breaking any of the break-even points, we can see some adjustments. But for a very wide range of market, the strategy do not require adjustments. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. We talk about best and safe option trading strategies in this channel, and we talk about best possible adjustments also. You can join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. We provide you pre-market report every morning. Let us now go quickly to backtesting software and see what is the strategy. Deliberately selected a month where there was a huge move. I do not know at what stage market is going to move, and let us see how this strategy performs in such a big move. If we are required to do an adjustment, we will do an adjustment also. So I am on Monday 2nd Feb morning 9:30. 1st Feb was a budget day. Market was quite okay. At the time we are taking this trade, market is hardly 30-40 points plus. So what I will do, market is at around 24,849. I will go and sell maybe something like 25,500 call, and I sell a 24,500 put also. So I'm keeping a distance of around 1000 points, right? This is part one of the strategy. Part two, I will go to March, and so now I will go to next month, which is 30th March. And what I will do, I will buy the same strikes, whatever strikes I have sold. So I will buy 25,500 call and I will buy 24,500 put also. So same strikes, whatever I have sold, I have purchased also. So this is my trade having a break-even point from 24,211, which is around, you can say, 600 points on the lower side, and on upside 26,133, which is around 1,300 points from the spot of the market, which is good enough. So how much money it is taking? It is taking 1.21 lakhs, and whether the VIX is high or not, let us see that. On Greek side, IVs are 15.9, 14.2, 14.3 and 12.9. Sufficiently good. Not, I'll say it's not very high, but it's not low also. If you see the payoff diagram, that is also very VIX healthy. Maximum loss it is showing as 25,000, which is not true, because in any case, my March end positions which I have purchased will not become zero. So maximum loss is not 25,000. Maximum loss will be much less than that. Software is calculating as if everything will become zero on the expiry of February, right? Max profit is 17,000, which is healthy, based on whatever is the margin required. It is giving me 14%. I am not looking for 14%. I am looking for a 2%, 3% kind of a monthly return, right? So this is the setup. Let us say we have some money, so we will do in 5 lots, so that trade goes in our favor. We are able to make a good absolute return also, right? Percentage return is also important, but good absolute return is also important. For better reach and visibility, kindly click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Each and every like and subscriber is very valuable to us. Thanks in advance. Let us now move forward. We will follow 2-3 things that, okay, in case market goes below the lower break-even point, which is 24,211, and in case it goes above 26,133, we will do some adjustments. In case it doesn't go below this or above upper break-even point, we are not required to do any adjustments. We have taken 5 lots, and let us see how the trade pans out. This is 2nd Feb. We will not keep it even on 24th Feb. We need to close it on 23rd Feb by latest, because on 24th Feb we will not get the margin benefit of calendar spread, right? Let us say, let's move forward and see what happens to the trade next day. A very huge move in the market. That is what I was saying. So if we go back one day, the market was at 24,849, and if I go now, next day market is at 24,786, almost 800 to 900 points move in the market. Very scary for any trader. But if you see, we are still not breaking the upper break even point. My upper break even point is 26,193. Market is still at 25,786. So I am quite healthy. Distance is there from upper break even point, which is around 400 points, right? As of now, what is happening to the trade? Trade is giving me 3,000 rupees, which is good enough. Do I need to do any adjustment? I don't think we need to do any adjustments. Let us wait for some more time. In case we are very close to our upper break even point, then we will move the screen by half an hour. But as of now, it seems okay. Let me move next day. Next day again, market is at a same range. We are definitely making very good profit. Although the required margin has increased, maybe because with such a wild move in the market, obviously the VIX might have gone up. So required margin has increased. But even on this increased margin, I am making 1.5% profit, which is excellent. And only it's a 2 days old trade. Very good trade. So far, it has given me very good profit. It has absorbed a huge move of the market also, which is the main strength of such a strategy. Let us see now. We are waiting in case it breaks upper break even point. Next day, not much has happened. Trade is giving me very good profit of 12,936. I can book some of the profit, but let us see. Let's see. Let's try to learn if we are required to do something else or we can get more profit. Now it has retraced back a bit, which is good for our trade because our overall green area, we are moving in for top 25% of the range. But then if market has gone slightly downside, it is good for us. And do have an eye on blue line. Blue line is showing us a very good profit in case market comes down a bit. So now it is 16,900. If I see what has happened to the VIX, VIX is almost at the same range where we had created the trade. So VIX is not creating any havoc with the trade. Let us move forward and see what happens next day. Again, market has made a slightly big up move. It is now 821. Trade which was giving me 16,000 rupees is now giving 10,000 only. My upper break even point is 26071 only 200 points away. Let me move by a smaller time frame. Let us see 30 minutes. Okay, not touching upper break even point. Let's see next 30 minutes. Nothing has happened. Next 30 minutes. If it crosses that, we will do the adjustment. As of now, we are still making around 10,000 rupees in the trade. Nothing has happened. 1 o'clock. No. 1:30. No. 4 o'clock. Nothing has happened. Trade is giving me 11,000 rupees. 9:30. No, nothing is up. Although it is very close now, 918. This is 26053. And in these kind of spreads, you can always see that, okay, even the break even points keep on shifting slightly. So let me move it by another 30 minutes. Still not touching my break even point. Next. Almost there, but still, I still have a gap of almost 1,500 points. Next. Nothing has happened. Next. Okay. Next. Next. Very critical point. Next. Okay. Again, I'm having a gap now of more than 100 points. Next. Still safe. Next. Almost all the profit has gone now. Let's see. Next. So this definitely requires some patience. We should not be in a hurry to make adjustments because you do not know which adjustment is good, which adjustment will be bad. As of now, trade is giving me some profit. No adjustment. If I move by 2 hours, no adjustment. Another 2 hours, no adjustment. Market has gone down slightly. Next 2 hours, there is a decent shift towards downside, which was required. And see the kind of profit we are making. We are making around 26,000 rupees on this trade, which is very healthy. We have deployed around 7 lakh rupees, you can say. That was the peak margin for this trade. And now we are making 26,000 rupees on this trade. So I think now I did not move by half an hour. Let us move next day. We are making a solid 36,000 rupees on this trade without any adjustment. Yes, we were on our toes to see that, okay, if adjustment is required, we will do that. But as of now, the trade has not required any adjustment. And I will never leave such a high profit on table and would definitely like to book some profit. So maybe out of 5 lots, let us book three lots, right? It's almost no loss trade, very wide range now. On upside, there is no issue. On downside, if market goes below 23,827, then only there can be some issue. Upside, it is now totally risk-free trade. A very good payoff diagram. Let us see now, move for few more days. Can it give me more profit? Yes, it can give me more profit. Upside, I am not at all bothered. A little bit of reduction in profit, which is okay. Now I'm making 40,000 rupees profit, which is quite high. Can I book another lot? Let me book another lot of this. Now only one lot of each trade is left and I cannot make loss whatever happens to the market. Although obviously market really tanks down, there can be reduction in profit. If market really goes up, I can still make 21,000 rupees. As of now, I am making good 40,000 rupees. Just 1 or 2 days are left in the trade. Can I get this 47,000 or can I get even 42, 43,000? That would be great to book. We have not done any adjustment. Whatever we have done is to lock our profits to reduce our losses, right? We have not done any adjustment in the basic primary trade what we have taken. Next day, profit has reduced a bit, no issue. Monday, I go end of the day. I'm making around 41,170, which is a huge profit. It is not this 30% what it is showing. If my investment was around 7 lakhs, then this is definitely almost 6%. There will be some transaction costs also. So even if you subtract that, a good profit of 5.5% in a very volatile month where first day market didn't do anything, second day only it went up by almost 900 points. There was a gap up of 900 points and still the trade survived and gave us good profit. You need to tell me what is the name of this strategy. We have already done a very good workshop on this same strategy in which we have shown you how to enter the trade, how to adjust the trade, how to exit the trade, and we have shown you more than 12 months of back testing also. This is also a kind of a back testing which I have shown you in today's trade. So if you're interested in buying this strategy, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. In addition to that, we have two other strategies. One is iron condor, one is iron fly. There also we have shown you all the adjustments and 12 months of back testing. In addition to this, if you want this kind of a simulator without any cost, our broker is providing that kind of a simulator. It's not only simulator, but otherwise the trading terminal is also very robust. You can adjust your positions in one click. So there is a provision of adjusting your positions. That suppose you want to scare off 24,000 call and sell 24,200 calls. So both the things can be selected simultaneously, and with a single click those adjustments can be done. In next video I will definitely show you how we are managing our delta through this feature of the account. If you are interested in opening that account, link is given in the description. You can just click on the link, leave your details, and you will be able to open that account. Leaving you with another very interesting video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.